crew with Guns America. We are at the 2025 NRA show, and I'm holding in my hands the brand new Rossi Brawler chambered in 300 Blackout. So check this thing out. It's a break open action. It has a safety, a cross bolt safety here. You can see it's on. It's hammered fire. It's a single action. You pull the hammer back to shoot it. There is an extension here, so if you need to be able to drop the hammer and you have a scope on it or a thermal. It is a 9-inch barrel, which is a perfect length for a 300 Blackout, especially if you're shooting subs. It's threaded 5/8 24, and it comes with the knurled thread protector. It's a pretty heavy barrel on this. The gun actually has some heft to it. There's a little fore-end out here, and the grip is rubber overmolded. It's very soft. It's super grippy. I mean, it's like not hard at all. So pretty cool looking gun though. Let us know what you think in the comments about a single shot 300 Blackout from Rossi. We're talking about, like, it's not going to set you back a lot. Just 3 of the big ones. So and that's MSRP, which is crazy. Anyway, check this thing out though. Would you put a thermal on this? Would you put a regular scope? Would you put a red dot? Let us know in the comments how you'd set up the Brawler.